Hey there, homeowners and renovation enthusiasts. Welcome back to Brights and the Realtor channel. Today we're tackling a common question for anyone considering home renovations. How do you find the right contractor? Finding a reliable and skilled contractor is critical to the success of your renovation project. I'm Brighton Daniel, your trusted advisor in real estate, and I'm here to share some valuable tips and strategies for finding the perfect contractor for your home renovations. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, ask for recommendations. One of the best ways to find a reputable contractor is by asking for recommendations from friends, families, neighbors, or real estate professionals. Personal referrals can provide valuable insights into a contractor's quality of work, professionalism, and reliability. Tip number 2, do your research. Before hiring a contractor, do your research. Take the time to research potential contractors online, read reviews, and check their credentials and certifications. Look for contractors who specialize in the type of renovations you're planning and have a proven track record of successful projects. Tip number 3, get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first contractor you find. Instead, get multiple quotes from different contractors to compare pricing, services, and timelines. Be wary of contractors who provide significantly lower quotes than others, as this could be a red flag. Tip number 4, check references and past work. Before making a decision, ask potential contractors for references and examples of their past work. Take the time to contact references and ask about their experience working with the contractor. Additionally, visit completed projects or view photos to assess the quality of their workmanship. Tip number 5, get everything in writing. Once you've chosen a contractor, make sure to get everything in writing. This includes a detailed contract outlining the scope of work, timeline, payment schedule, and any warranties or guarantees. Having a written contract can help protect you in case of disputes or misunderstandings. And tip number 6, trust your instincts. Finally, trust your instincts when choosing a contractor. Pay attention to how they communicate and interact with you during the initial consultation. You want to work with someone who listens to your needs, communicates effectively, and instills confidence in their abilities. Thank you again for joining me today as we explored how to find the right contractor for your home renovations. By following these tips and strategies, you can hire a contractor who will bring your renovation vision to life with skill and professionalism. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Until next time, happy renovating.